Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to use gestures to take screenshots on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on shortcuts and accessibility. From here, just scroll down and tap on super screenshot. And from here, if you scroll down, you can find the option for gesture screenshot. And once you enable this option, you can take screenshots by using gestures. If you swipe down with 3 fingers on the screen, you can take a normal screenshot. And if you open the gallery app, you will find the screenshot we have just taken, just like that. And the second method to take a screenshot by using the gestures is to take a partial screenshot. Now to do that, just tap and hold with 3 fingers on the screen. Now just swipe down and select the part of the screen you want to capture. Now from here, you can increase or decrease the size of the selection. And once you are satisfied with your screenshot, just tap on save. And from here, if you open the Albums app, you will find the partial screenshot we have just taken. And this is how you can use gestures to take screenshots on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.